Hello, David Bradley from the box room here. It is very true and very sad that the Blue Jays have let us down in 2023. But TPUG will not let you down, because on December 2nd and December 3rd of 2023, the World of Commodore returns. It will indeed be at the Admiral INN, which is in Mississauga, Ontario, very close to Toronto, just a stone throw, literally a stone throw, off the QEW. It will be a great event. I will have many, 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 many more details to follow. Plan to be there. And if you're looking to sell things, you can get a table. If you have things you're just done with, there is also the freebie table, which is always a highlight because people just bring things. Doesn't have to be even Commodore related. Anyway, don't forget World of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd, 2023 at the Admiral Inn. See you there.